What's up, Buy Smart fam? Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your money wisely, or at least make you laugh while you do it. Today, we're diving into the wild world of mini drones. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the right, its aerial rival, the LMRC-12 drone. Buckle up, because it's going to be a high-flying showdown. First up, let's talk money. The D20 is priced at $69, while the LMRC-12 is a bit more expensive at $79. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the D20 is your new best friend. But hey, LMRC-12, maybe that extra $10 means you come with a free pizza? No? Well, worth a shot. Now let's get to the cameras. Because who doesn't want to pretend they're a tiny aerial photographer? The D20 sports a 720p HD camera, which is decent for capturing your neighbor's cat stuck in the tree. But the LMRC-12 steps it up with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like the D20 brought a knife to a camera fight. Sorry, D20. But we gotta give this round to the LMRC-12. More pixels, more problems. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're as coordinated as a potato. Both drones are pretty user-friendly. The D20 has one key start, landing, and altitude hold, making it as simple as ordering a pizza online. The LMRC-12, though, adds headless mode and hand gesture controls. So it's like the LMRC-12 is saying, look ma, no hands. If you want to feel like a wizard, LMRC-12 is your pick. Next, let's talk about the fun stuff. Because who buys a drone to be boring? The D20 can do 3D flips and follow waypoints you draw on your phone. It's like the drone equivalent of a kid doing cartwheels in the yard. The LMRC-12 also lets you draw flight paths and adds 3 flight speeds. Plus, it has brushless motors, so it's the quiet ninja of the drone world. This round's a toughie, but I'm leaning LMRC-12 for that sleek ninja vibe. Battery life is where dreams are made or broken. The D20 offers up to 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad, right? But then the LMRC-12 swoops in with 26 minutes. That's 6 extra minutes to annoy your neighbors or impress your friends. LMRC-12 takes the cake here. More flight time equals more fun time. Safety first, kids. The D20 has low power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. It's basically wearing a helmet and knee pads. The LMRC-12 has similar features, plus it's got that sweet US certification and professional tech support. So if you crash it into a tree, someone will actually help you. LMRC-12 wins this round for having a safety net and a team of tech wizards. The DEERC D20 mini drone is praised for being a fantastic entry-level option, especially for beginners. It's affordable, durable, and easy to use, though it struggles in windy conditions. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 drone has mixed reviews. While some users appreciate its quality, ease of use, and good video quality for the price, others have faced issues with the app and overall build quality. Alright folks, it's time to land this video. Both the DEERC D20 and the LMRC-12 have their strengths. But if we're going by sheer power, features, and bragging rights, the LMRC-12 is our winner today. But hey, if you're on a tighter budget, the D20 is still a fantastic choice. Either way, you're getting a great drone to play with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time and happy flying!